I will show you how to add an author in your Procreate Dreams movies. So you're inside a movie and you want to tap on the name of the movie. And then under Properties, you want to tap on Made By, and that will allow you to type in your name and then tap Done on the upper right-hand corner. And you can even add a picture of yourself or your logo by tapping on the circle. That will have you access to the library or different locations like iCloud to add a picture. So this is how you add the author information to your Procreate Dreams. I will see you in the next video.